Hey guys, welcome to ITS Tactical. We're here at Aught Design in San Francisco, California. We're sitting down with Raquel, the Global Sales Director here, and she's going to take us through the new Production Dauntless that's coming in the near future. So let's take a look at that.
At Aught Design, we design high-performance apparel and equipment. That's anything from fleeces to soft shells to cargo pants. And we also do soft goods as well as hard goods. Soft goods including backpacks, pouches, a lot of MOLLE panels. And hard goods, we can do anything from multi-tools to what you see in front of you, which is your knives. And what we've done historically is we've done a lot of collaborations with well-known knife makers in the industry, and we designed what we call the Dauntless. The Dauntless has a few distinct characteristics that set it apart from other knives, a couple of which being, on this knife in particular, we have a double choil. We also have a clean balance between the handle and the blade. The width of this blade and handle is pretty much similar. And then not shown on this one, but shown on these ones, we always have 3 fullers on the handle and then 1 fuller that's on the blade. Since these are prototypes, we don't have it here, but there's also an upper swedge that's on the blade as well. So with that design, like I said, we've done a lot of collaborations and we've done a lot of high-end custom knives where collaborators get the opportunity to uniquely display their version of knife making into our design. But we've been doing that for about 8 years, and what it really came down to was that we wanted to bring our signature Dauntless to life in a different way, meaning something that was exclusively designed and produced by us, as well as something that would be more readily available, which is why we chose to do a production. So I'm going to walk you through the production stages that we have in front of us. So the first one that we have here, which was the first prototype that we did of the knife, this is made out of aluminum. It is water jet cut, and essentially what you use this first prototype for is to figure out the fit of the knife in your hand, the overall balance, how it opens and closes, and it just gives you an idea of what the future prototype will essentially entail. So on this one, you'll notice that the spine has a certain distance between each of these segments. What we did in the second version of this prototype was also made out of aluminum and also done with a water jet cut. But this one is the revised serrations on the thumb ramp right here. So what you can see is that these are, in comparison to the first one, closer together and more true to the final production. So on our third one, what we did is we wanted to go obviously to the actual materials that'll be used in the knife. This is an S30 blade, and then on the back of the handle this is full titanium. So this is a fully machined production version of it. However, in these 3 fullers needed to be reevaluated for their placement, and also on any of the prototypes you won't see any finished blade or edge. And just to give you kind of like a full 360 view of things, this is the back. We do have a pocket clip on our version, and it's not shown here on the prototype. That'd be a final piece. And then on the fourth one, like I said, we needed to alter how the fullers were placed so that the aesthetic was more balanced. And this is about as close as you'll see right now until you see our final production. Notice these are closer than they were originally here, and they're more evenly distributed. And again, there is no blade on this, no final edge, and the upper swedge is not shown. So we will be producing this knife in a full titanium on the handle. We also have 2 other options made from G10. There's going to be the black, and then there's also going to be the OD green. And you can see that these are the pieces that would attach right here and finalize the knife. So we're really excited to be doing this because, like we said, we've been producing this knife with other people for 8 years, and this is the first time that we'll have something exclusively designed and produced for us with much greater accessibility to the public. Finally, we just wanted to thank ITS for coming and visiting us in San Francisco. Getting to show them around both of our stores and our headquarters was awesome, and we hope that they'll come back and that we'll be able to do some collaborations in the future. And it was great to be able to walk them through actually the exclusive walkthrough of our Dauntless.